John Doherty, part of your News Center 11 team.
From Interior Alaska's most trusted news source, this is the Fairbanks Evening News.
Good evening. Thanks for joining us. Today is Friday, July 24th, 2020. I'm Mike Schultz, and we start off our newscast with our COVID update. The Department of Health and Social Services released a statement reporting 65 new COVID cases in the state of Alaska. 59 are residents, while 6 of them are non-residents. 14 communities received positive cases. There were 33 in Anchorage, 6 in Seward, 5 in Fairbanks, 4 in Ketchikan, 2 in Juneau, and 1 each in Bethel Census, Cordova, Kenai, Nome Census, North Pole, Valdez, Cordova, Wasilla, Yukon, Koyukuk Census, and the Yakutat, Hoonah, Angoon boroughs combined. The 6 non-residents were identified, with 5 in the Seward Gulf Coast seafood industry and 1 still under investigation. The total number of resident cases has come to 2,249, and the total number of non-resident cases is 499. No new fatalities have been reported, and over 200,000 tests have been conducted. In other news, in Juneau, the Dunleavy administration announced the closure of the Atwood building today after a worker tested positive for COVID-19. The worker was asymptomatic and was found through contact tracing. The results were found out this morning, prompting Governor Mike Dunleavy to close the building at noon today. Dunleavy made the decision to protect state employees and workers at the Atwood. After a thorough cleanup, the building will open on Monday. The University of Alaska Fairbanks announced yesterday that face coverings are required at locations owned or operated by them. The policy was spearheaded by UAF Chancellor Dan White in regards to the COVID-19 pandemic. Face coverings must be worn by everyone except those with medical exemptions or those under the age of 5. According to the policy, failure to comply for students could result in educational sanctions, university probation, loss of housing, suspension, or expulsion. Members of the public could be subjected to being trespassed from the university. Dan White gave his reasoning to why they went in this direction.
The way I feel is that it's so